Everyone, welcome back to the channeling series. And today I have a message from again Ma Lakshmi. And this video, whoever lands on this video, whoever watches this video, this is for you, right? This is exclusively for you. I know that you are tired. I know that you've been going through a lot of issues, and all of those experiences has had an emotional impact, which means that now in your body you do not have much space. And when I say that, I mean that you've been absorbing all kinds of energies from your past experiences, from the current reality, and you're not working on those emotions. You're not processing it, right? It's just getting accumulated. And when your emotions are not processed, they go in your body because when you feel it, when you feel that anger, when you feel that sadness, when you feel that grief, and sometimes we don't even feel, right? We ignore our emotions. We numb our emotions. Just by doing that, the emotions do not vanish, right? They stay in our body, right? And that's why it's very important for us to process it. It could be any way, it could be feeling it could be through, magic, clearing, whatever, right? We can transmute that energy, but it's very important to transmute it. Why? Because otherwise it stays in the body, and we know what happens then, right? Stagnant energy will, like stagnant water, starts stinking, right? Becomes a space for, insects to pester. Similarly, we can create a lot of dis-ease in the body because of that, right? So, the message for all of you is for you to create space in your body. Ma Lakshmi is waiting to enter your lives, but it's like, she's coming towards your house, but all your windows, your doors, everything is bolted, right? How will she enter? There is no space in your body for her to reside, right? What is it that you're carrying in your heart? All the heavy emotions, all the disappointments, all the hatred, all the stress, anger, right? All of that is in various parts of your different organs in your body, and she wants to reside in your heart. But what if you have, so an example that's coming to me is if you have a home, right? There's a particular space in it. So you have a few rooms, you have a drawing room, all of that, right? Now, in the drawing, suppose you have a sofa set, right? Or whatever, chairs, tables, all of that. Now you want another sofa set in your drawing room. Is that possible for you to arrange it in that space? Or would you have to take some things out for to create space for more things to be placed in your drawing room? You will have to, right? But for that, some things need to leave that space. Similarly, these emotions that you've hoarded in your body need to be processed and need to leave your system, right? Because when there is disease, even then some things are coming out of your system, but in a negative way, isn't it? But that's why self care, in that sense of actually being loving towards your own self, taking care of your own self, is so important. Whatever you need in life, folks, okay, this is a message, very strong message. If you want to make more money, if you want a job, if you want more opportunities in your life, if you want new people in your life, if you want new experiences in your life, all of this all of these new things are energy, isn't it? They're all energy particles. And for them to come in your life, you need a capacity of a person who can contain these experiences, right? And when I say this, I actually truly mean Energetically, yes, but also in your body. You need to create space in your body. Many of us, do our work, like maybe we do our affirmations, we do our gratitude, whatever, right? We do our rituals, all of that. But then rest of the day, we are complaining. Rest of the day, we are stuck in loops of negative thinking. We are stressed, right? Our cortisol goes up. When if the whole day we are engaged in something that's actually negatively impacting our body, then yes, maybe a ritual, maybe this or maybe that will help create a little bit space. It's like you're getting a table out of your house, so you're creating space, sure. But with all the stress, you are again, and if you're going to place, say, some sort of trash there, you're again going to fill that space up with garbage. You see? So, one is to clear these emotions from your system. The second is to consistently work on your body. So, if you eat, suppose, healthy food today, right? You have your salad and you have your whatever, all of that, right? And then tomorrow and the next of the day, month, like next of the days, next few days or next 30 days, you eat junk. And then again one day you eat healthy. How will your body how will your body be? Of course, that one day you ate healthy, it's going to have a good impact on your body. However, the number of days you had junk is going to kind of overpower that goodness of that one day, isn't it? So it's very important for you, this is for whoever is watching, because this probably you are going through this, right? Bring consistency in terms of all the things that you're doing for yourself in your life. Yes, it's good to do it for a day or two, a week, but find a way to do it consistently every day. Like I said, I think another video in a class, that you are still consistent with your complaints. So you know what consistency means. You just have to flip it and make it work in your favor. Yeah. And work on that. Work on building a life for yourself where you build more capacity within you, in your system, in your energy. And Mahalakshmi wants to come and fully reside within you in that emptiness. Yeah. So that's the beautiful message that I'm getting for all of you, that it's time for you to let go of what's no longer serving you in order to make space for all the things that you've been wanting to achieve. And Mahalakshmi is going to reside within your heart and guide you in the direction that you want. She wants to bring all the material things that you want in your life, but she doesn't she doesn't have the space to reside within you. So what is it that you're holding on to from the past that you're not willing to let go? Make a list and work on those emotions to release them, right? Because that's what will get transmuted into pure money energy. So that's all for today, folks. I will see you all tomorrow with another channel message. Till then, signing off. Anisha Dutt from Zarya